So that is the answer. So when I talk of non-disha general akabadyaha or auntie na president with principal akabadyaha, I suggest you do it the azimio way mukwatagalise because agali wamu. So hatiya nazaga kasiki ya deyine ina nenda gamba namwachi siblings Romanya wena mnonga akaba ine brothers beye Mr. Mumza na Reverend Rukundo bari 3 musketeers. So our sisters beye now they were quite close to her. I thank you for being a part of her family or of her close people. I thank her friends. I thank Madam Betty Kasimbas, who was former permanent secretary at the Ministry of Finance. That is her friend from campus. You know, if you're able to keep friends that you've had for 40 years, that is amazing. Even Mrs. Slash Bebaza, Abatakabakunu, Abanza, I thank you so much. Kandi nyongeiraho ninyebaza abashaho abo muri University Hospital Yambarara Regional Referral. Kandi na mnonga ti professor ti oriyo mukuru washomero wahezoja orya payroll ya permanent and pensionable. It is the intern doctors, it is the medical students, it is the residents who are studying to become specialists. So mwaba leba street mutakaba jerega mukateka uboti bino bokugashi. They are trying to fight for you. Kandi ni kugamba personally I have been in their shoes. Romanya kuboga hono kwa road round ono reba barwire. Deru abajanja bibigure nyama yabo bari baza kugera chisha reka kwita. Women's League chairperson of Mbarara for many years. Yazayo konka barwa kumhereza platform yabe na ronda kurwanirira abanya-Uganda. So yabaza yahaba yazo orange yarewa orange bakaba bari bichiwani bonyine. Nuko kurgayo hati akaba red. So I thank you the Red Party. I thank you for giving my mother the platform to be and achieve and become who she was meant to be. Because I know she was happy. And Ganga kana agunda, kana hati na agundu. So, I'm sorry, I'm talking a lot because I sharpened my mouth. Tumanya, ninyewajenda kwebaza the OGs of Mary Hill, class of 2000. Murebe ebehina na kofini. And whole side they were show mama and this and show mom. To us she was mom. And to everyone else, most of it, especially the group team, she was mama. So she has been a mother to all. Me growing up, our house was full. You hear people keep saying, oh, Akazara Bashatu or whatever. No, we are many. We are very many. There are some even who are not here. Karema, Henry Shijade. We are many. Nawasa Sharon, we are very many. So our house was always full, and sharing, generosity is in our spirit, because you could not sleep alone. That one was not there. There were people, and our house was small. So, okay, not small by those standards, it was big, but if you think about it, you will have like around maybe 10 comfortable. Emere mwamutekere kumularo mwamutekere nche abagenyi bo babanze baliye imenuza akaba abira ine rukundo nyinji munongo buli omwe nayishomuka oba mwine akakwate oba tamwine okakwate abena mwachira political career yeye eyabandise ya NRM ekaba enyisya because abakazi kuba bebisho witu mukaba mwiguru wigisha 12 mushanga geti nabaro nibenda gambe zibyabo konka byabaye simba babura kumuha ruru gambe bisimbyabo babura kuza kuriya oliyo bahira karuru. Then I would be wondering when mutakuza owa MP1
what she wanted in life. Me, I'm here to celebrate her life. And more to that, I want to thank my siblings, Jacob, Bernett, Philippa, Banang. People, thank you so much for not, betraying mommy, for coming out as she wanted us to come to be. I don't have much to say. I work with Kampala.
Desire, low, see, unexpected outcomes in Kenya. Noble truth yakasha to the cessation of suffering. How do you stop to suffer? What do you do? I'm sure you much money. And noble truth number 4 is the middle way, which is actually the path to the cessation of suffering. And I will leave all of you to read and learn it the same way I have. Mbasa kuba kotinja ba philosopher n'abantu mutwaro munani. Abantu mutwaro munani mu Uganda. Zote n'abagamba nyobiro bingi. I choose a humble path. Tivuza kujaka kugambira batandana. Konka today niza kubagamba. Akuba na mami, I don't think I'd ever told her any of these things. Akonyukira bijoka, hey bani, and I accepted all my family. Be that. In the head of HIV vaccine design of Africa. Mpako one design injire konka, I'm a football lover. Ako kumanya mpira wana numanya business yanje here. Ako ntuzana mpira omugati yambara mpaka kashaha nkamwenda gwecho. Tuyamuro itiro mpira nambwe no bright yalizireyo bariyeta mawondo bazaho baswetinga but kabona side post kumanya kona kika but eventually nekuba nechinko adwa omuntu weno rukumanya mwami na mangu no mukozi kandi omuntu weno rukumanya abana be ningo omuntu ora associated with them na mangu abantu abo n'abakozi. We work hard. Even though it might go unappreciated, we don't care. We still work hard because we work for ourselves. Kandi echo number 2 ebintu mwamumulo mugamba kandi mumanye ekintu kya integrity. Mami taught us all to be very, very upright. Wakureba omujyawo abantu bona wabuuza mu hino lirenguzi ninga hino ngubakozire business deal yakora y'omukishaka ninga ya no. Now when you my friends or anyone who knows and does business with me, now mangu I have very little patience for. Now I want to organizing and all mangu I have very little patience. Janet yayabagambire mami akanyigisa kintu kya life work balance. You can work so hard, but it doesn't mean you give up everything else. See, no kuba smart. Kanti kumanisa smart mukujwala ni maitsa kuba smart mutwe. Akachimpa naturally akuba nwe yanziri. Kandi agakamya yakinyeje so munkola. Na abishengereza. Imwe no wasaba byinji mnonga. Kunkano kimanya, and this is just between me and you. Yabali. We had this function a month ago. Akwa Million we anyambere no yaraho n'abantu betu bakabaho tukiba mnonga. Million we ayomberira abashahu bakareba hamwe bakamurondera umwanya mu ICU. Of course na siblings banyanye bin. Kuka Antimillia Matembe Ankoni Kitingwa Nyoroshtami, but thank you so much. Thank you. Yenda was family, all my cousins, my siblings, my
Yakobo Musha, Jarono Mumanya, Ninye mwana uzigijo wa Israel Musha, Omujezi, abantu barumuna basha, tuyaha kandi tubinimwe, we are very strong. Very, very strong. Very strong. Kajo mkaza kujwari kwa fiyaginchi. What they say, a woman that dons many hearts. She was a mother to many. Akari minabona. Abantu mwabareba hana binji mwena numanya in different ways she has touched your lives. And people have a national leader. Umureba omuntu kufa w'umucareki and the date is broadcast on national TV mujya mu cyatsi cyo kitafitego mu ngaro naco kabazaho hanga ubwo naryo muntu of some serious repute naryo muntu w'umujinya naryo muntu w'umugasho mbaze muri kabata bija kumusi abo ba general abo ba president abo kwa twaruzinga mami a pillar of our home konka. I think ikintu cy'inkwenda gukora no kugira gratitude nango kusima nani shaba umunyambe tweshongore a few stanzas ya Zaburi ya 115 abo kuba nibasa ku shoza muri kintu cyo nijaza ho kugamba mucyetegereza